Welcome to our Fun Kids channel, where animals talk, stories sparkle, and every day is a happy adventure.
A magical day at Disneyland. Wow, welcome to Disneyland, where fun and magic begin today. Look around, castles, colors, and happiness are everywhere. Yummy ice cream is here, cold, colorful, and super tasty. Oops, ice cream is melting, but smiles are growing bigger. So many balloons, red, blue, flying up so high. Ready? Aim, shoot. Pop, pop, balloons go boom. Hooray, we won a prize. Let's clap and cheer. Swinging gently up and down feels so nice. Ha ha ha, laughing loud while flying in the air. The big wheel is moving, going higher and higher. Wow, the whole park looks like a fairy dream. Time to shop. Toys, hats, and cute souvenirs. Books everywhere. Stories, colors, and fun to read. I found my favorite book. Let's read together. Fizz, fizz. Cold cola makes us feel fresh. Look at bubbles. Shiny, round, floating like magic. Run and jump. Pop the bubbles. Yay! Sweet time. Candy, lollipops, and cotton candy. Sharing sweets makes friendship even sweeter. Goodbye, Disneyland. Today was a perfect day.